Hello everyone, in this video we are going to build a RAG chatbot in Snowflake with the help of Cortex Search. So let's start with the main components in it. The first one is large language model. So the large language model is a powerful AI generator which writes the final and readable answer. And the second main component is retrieval augmented generation. In shortly we call it as RAG or RAG. So RAG is the technique which solves the LLM's knowledge problem. It works by forcing the LLM to look up the facts in an external knowledge base or an external table before answering a question. It acts as an intermediate here. So the third and main component is Snowflake's Cortex Search. It is a smart search engine which is the retrieval component which finds the facts. Whenever a user asks a question, the Cortex Search instantly scans all your policies which are stored in the Snowflake using semantic search to pull out the most relevant paragraph. So now let's see how Cortex Search is different from SQL. A normal SQL query searches by exact keywords or simple patterns. This is also called as lexical search or also called as keyword search. So the Cortex Search is designed for semantic search, meaning it searches by the meaning or concept of your questions. It converts all our documents into numerical vectors. So whenever the user asks a question, the question is converted into a vector. The Cortex Search then uses advanced math to find the document whose vectors are closest to our question. So here we have to create a dedicated RAG role to manage ownerships and permissions for our objects. This is optional, so I have used built-in roles and warehouses for reducing complexity instead of creating them. Next, we have to organize our data by creating a database and schema. So now we define our knowledge base tables, which is called as docs. So in this docs table, we have used the body column, which holds the full context. Immediately after, we enable change tracking. This is vital for our Cortex Search to efficiently keep the index up to date whenever the user modifies our policies. So now we load our sample data which consists of shippings and loyalties programs into the doc table. This is the source material for our chatbot. So now for our core RAG component, which is called as Cortex Search, we have created the search index with the name retail KB search. So we specify that we are indexing the body column and we choose the Snowflake version 1 model to convert our data into vectors for semantic search. We can manually refresh the index at any time after a large data load. Now let's test the retrieval. We query for written policy and filter for only policy documents. This result is a JSON array on the top of it. So the most relevant snippets are written in the form of JSON array. The final SQL step chains together the retrieval and generation. This query gathers the search results, packages them with a system message and calls the Architect LLM, large language model. And now here where the magic happens, the LLM takes the context and produces a concise and grounded answer where the user can be easily understand. Now let's move on to the application interface. We have created this application interface with the help of Streamlit app. This Streamlit apps is the front end that ties the user input to our complex Snowflake logics. The app passes the large language model's raw output to display only the clean and readable answer and then deletes the temporary message record for cleanup. The final product is a secure, powerful RAG assistant which is fully managed by Snowflake. We can get the immediate, accurate answer backed by our data. By combining both RAG, Snowflake Cortex Search and the Architect LLM, we have built an enterprise-ready chatbot which eliminates the hallucinations and keeps the AI grounded in truth. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.